So the first question that most e-commerce business owners ask is, how much does fulfillment outsourcing cost? The answer to that is it very much depends. It depends upon your individual needs of your business. And also, rather than looking at it as a cost, how about we flip it on its head ever so slightly and look at how much it's actually saving you as a business. There's lots of hidden costs to running an e-commerce business and doing the fulfillment yourself. You've got the premises costs, you've got the resources within your particular warehouse, picking and packing your orders. And of course, with those resources, you have to have backup resources in place because you've got holiday to think about, you've got sickness to think about, and most businesses are actually having to over-resource their warehouse to be able to cater for their requirements all throughout the year. And then, of course, there's the time, and in particular, the time that it takes away from your core business, which should be to source and sell products. So it very much depends upon your own circumstances and what your business is currently doing and the cost that is supported at this moment in time. The great thing about outsourcing fulfillment, of course, is that you end up with the economies of scale. You don't have to support the whole cost of a warehouse with just your revenue coming through. The resources in the warehouse aren't just being supported by the revenues that you're generating. They're shared across lots of other businesses as well. When it comes to the charging structure that most fulfillment companies charge, there's four main charging mechanisms. We've obviously got the storage fees, depending upon how much space you require, will depend upon how much that's going to cost you. Then we've got the picking and then the packaging and the packing of those goods ready for shipment after that stage. And then you've got the shipment cost, which very much depends upon the type of carrier that you're going to be utilising for your particular product. So don't look at just the costs and trying to compare those costs against outsourcing. Do look at the complete picture. How much time is it going to give you back to spend on promoting your business?